In this video, we will be discussing how to propagate and transplant a large overgrown aloe vera plant, coming up on Greens and Machines.
greensandmachines.com.
My mother had a large aloe vera plant in a container on the patio. She wanted me to help her separate some of the new plants that had grown off the main plant. Apparently, this is something you do yearly, since she had a bunch of pups from last year all along the side of the wall. In helping her out, I learned more about the aloe plant and how it grows. Now, I should breach some caution here, as aloe vera plants have spines on them, so be sure you are protecting your hands with some heavy-duty gloves, and your legs with some jeans. In order to separate the individual plants, the entire plant first had to be removed from the container. Typically, you'll want to set up some kind of tarp to prevent soil from going everywhere when you're doing this over concrete. Once the plant had been dumped to the ground, the root structure of the main plant and little pups is visible. Using a trowel, soil was removed from the areas around the plants. It is okay to be aggressive with the plant because the roots need to be detached from the main plant anyway. As long as the roots are hanging off the pups, the plant will survive. The way aloe vera propagates is similar to strawberry plants, except the runners grow underneath the main plant instead of above the ground. Some of the aloe pups may even appear white if they get stuck in the container hidden from the sun. From this aloe vera plant, we got 9 pups. That's a total of 9 new plants. That's a lot of aloe. The new plants can then be placed into separate containers. It'll take some time for the plants to adjust, so be patient. Remember that aloe is a succulent and should never be overwatered. If you have an aloe vera plant, repeat this process yearly to have an unlimited amount of aloe vera plants. If you found this video informative, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more gardening videos like this in the future, be sure to subscribe to Greens and Machines. Check out one of our other videos before you click away. We'll see you in the next video.